This demonstration, we're going to show you how you can manually edit records individually or in bulk. So let's head over to our search and let's find a particular record that we're wanting to fix. Let's try find somewhere close to Sarah. Okay, you can see the fuzzy search has brought back a result very close to this. Let's click on Saran and let's head to our properties. Now, for any of these properties here, we can go through and put through an edit. So for example, her job title has changed. Let's put through an edit. You can see it gives me multiple different options. Because multiple different inputs could have led and been integrated all into the same key, this has given me options to fix once and then for it to unravel and fix the operational systems in place as well. For right now, we're just going to edit this directly in the CluedIn platform only. Let's click Next, and let's change this to a partner. Click Save, and you can see the update is made. You can also see, if we head to the history, that there's an audit trail for this as well. We can see who made the change, we can see what the actual change was. If we head to the topology, we see a similar type of scenario, where we can see that Saran has been manually updated here, and this was the actual change that was made. Let's do this in bulk. There's a couple of ways to do this, but I'm going to head to the most used within CluedIn. Let's head over to Preparation and start a cleaning project. We're going to clean, and we're going to say employees. Let's filter the data. Let's say that we want where the glossary term is our IT users. Click Next, and tell it what properties we're wanting to fix. So in this case, we're just going to do user.job title. Let's create and generate the results. This is going to provide me with a sandboxed environment where it loads in these records and just the properties that I've asked for, and then I can use this interface CluedIn Clean to make bulk changes. You can also use our native Excel plugin that we have available from the Office 365 store as well. With our project generated, we can start to clean. Let's clean up our canvas to focus on the user job title only. Let's go ahead, edit the cell, and transform. Let's change this all to developers. Okay, you can see a preview of the actual change that's going to be made, the before and the after. And you can see that this change has now been made. I'm going to close my cleaning project, and I'm going to process these records into the platform. In this particular case, I'm going to untick the rule generation because I don't want this to be an ongoing rule in the platform. I'm going to click Confirm. And once processed, we can go ahead to our search. In this case, you can see that a couple of records were changed a couple of seconds ago. Let's click on Marco, head to the properties, head down to the job title, and you can see that his job title is now developers. Under the history, we should be able to see that it was changed from senior developer to developers. And if we head to our audit trail, you can also see that this cleaning project changed the value to developers by the admin in this project we called employees, because we can always roll this back if necessary. Finally, if we head to the topology, we can also see that a cleaning project changed the value to developers. So multiple different ways to be able to easily edit data individually or in bulk in the CluedIn platform.